Hello guys. Anyways, since it is Valentine's Day, I decided to make a video, and I got a new train. It's an All Engines Go, but I hope you like it. This is the party train Percy. Thomas and Friends, All Engines Go. It's basically Percy pulling a party train, I guess. not much, but I like it. It's motorized. The festive, well, not really festive, but the party train Percy is. I never had this one before. Obviously, I only had like 2 All Engines Go before. Anyways, this is the back. That's the back. That's the front. That's the side. Wait. Okay. Now, this is the other side. Of course, don't think I got the top. So, we might as well open it. I'm saving the box, though. See if we can get this bad boy open. Maybe I'll do it off camera so it's easier. Okay, I just got it open. It's really cool. Doesn't work. Oh no, it doesn't. Battery's in it. Party Percy. Yeah, I don't have much to say about it besides the fact that I like it. But I do have a lot to say about this. I already have one of these. It's like came with a Party Thomas pack. It wasn't All Engines Go, but it's cool. Because if you roll it, it brings this little drum, like that. Anyways, next one, this is really cool. This small, not box, it's not really a boxcar. It kind of looks it, but if you go to this side, it's like, it can be a coach. But, here's the bottom. But the cool part is when you flip this, and it becomes mail. This will be really useful for my YouTube video stories, just in case I ever need a mail car or a party coach. I don't know why I need a party coach, but yeah. But something that's weird is, why is the outside here? Like, why do you see the outside from this window? So unless it's seeing through both windows into some weird outside land, it's, kind of wonder. I never knew All Engines Go could honestly be this good, though. My camera's kind of blurry. I don't really have the best background either. I'm doing this on my coffee table. There's the code. It rolls. I just gotta put batteries in, and that's it. Okay, let's get that done. I might as well do it with you guys. What's it take? 2 AA? Alright, no, 2 AAA. I'm so used to fitting my tunnel trains with AA, with 1 AA. But then I have always dealt with those other All Engines Go ones. I need a screwdriver, so let me get that real quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. It took me a few minutes, but you guys probably didn't know that. Here's the inside. Yeah. I wouldn't recommend installing that, but oh, it has both of these on there. Oh, let me look at that for a minute. Oh, wow, cool. Okay. So anyways, 2 batteries I grabbed. And Mama has a battery tester, so we know if the batteries are good or not. And they stay in the bin if they're pretty much perfect. See it? Oh wow, it's fast. Oh gosh, it's really fast. Okay, let me get the top. I'm sick of this. They're hard to get on. Gosh. Oh, these are different than the old ones. No wonder I was doing it wrong. It's a good thing I got it right. Okay. let's see, you guys. All right, you guys. You want to see it run? I know I can't really hear you guys, but whatever. So anyways, 3, 2, 1, go. It's cool. It works. Let me just, put that back on. Put that back on. Oopsies. Okay, let's see. It's easier than I thought. Yeah, cool. So, guys, there's not much to say about the training, I guess. I already mentioned it all, except the face. The face is pretty cool. I like it. So, yeah, I'll probably make videos of it, either being a monster or a new person in the group. Leave a like if you want it to be a bad guy, and subscribe if you want it to be a good guy. Okay, bye for now.